Hi guys, how you doing? I just wanted to update you about my new life in German. It's nice, beautiful, great. I stay here with my mother and father, my three brothers, Brooklyn, Bruce, and Bradley. I'm happy that I can talk to you again. I go to school every day. Today is Saturday, so I'm going to watch Netflix this evening.
Charity.
I think that's my seat.
Cause we got the sunshine from the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. When the right line and the tan line, keep a free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine from the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right lines and the tan lines, keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I'm so cute. Whatever we are, let's get
Also, when you come to German, it isn't that easy. You still have to learn a lot, like how to speak Deutsch. Like me, I'm still learning how to speak Deutsch. It's still a challenge, but I'm getting there. But in school, I have to learn the language so that I can understand what the teacher is saying in class. That's important. So I just want to give some advice to people that when they are doing something, when they are like they can go somewhere, let them first get to know what they're doing, to understand so that they can get better. Every time you work hard, you get better. So I'm working hard to learn this language so that I can be good, go out, get a job, and help people. So I hope you can do the same. That's what I have.
Hessen. Ich weiß. Gib es. Bradley. Hessen.
Mama,
Ja.
meine Haare sind so lose, dass ich sie einfach abziehen kann. Guck. Einfach ab.
Wie kommt das?
Wenn die Haare so lang ist, weil meine Haare sind ja schon so lang wie Mädchenhaare.
Uriah.
Meine Haare fallen einfach ab. Also die gehen nicht
Schmeckt das Essen?
Das ist etwas schärfer als sonst.
Scharfer?
Ein bisschen.
Ja, sometimes it's good to eat scharf Essen.
Ich hatte selber lange
Ist
nicht
gut
mehr.
für die Magen.
Nee.
Ja.
So this is my evening routine. I brush my teeth and I wash my face. I have to do this every evening to keep my face clean and my teeth clean. I hope all the children brush their teeth, clean their face when they go to sleep so that they can be clean every time. Yeah. And now I'm going to bed after this. Good night. It's time to go to sleep. I have to sleep. It's late. Tomorrow is Sunday. See you in the next episode.